Let's see. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye, my little fuzzy nubbins. This is G-Paw, Pops, otherwise known as Hey You. I have a new toy for y'all. It is a app that I have wound up your mom with, Moke, amazingly so. And I'll show you what that is. It is a thing called Picture This. And it is a plant identifier. And what you do is you find yourself a likely plant and you say identify. And it comes back and tells you what it is. And then you get to add this to your garden. Yeah, later. Quit bugging me. Okay, and now we're gonna go identify another plant. Say identify this one. And it tells you what it is. And you add it to your garden. Now the thing that's cool about this is this isn't just, okay, I can tell you what it is. This is a complete resource for those who are interested in our green and growing buddies. This is our little red tip. Let's see what it says it is. There you are. There you are. I guess that's a red tip. It doesn't say red tip, but I guess that's what that is. It seems to know what it's talking about. But once you've got this information, you can go into one of these things and you can find out when to fertilize it and all those kind of things. You can find out plant info, determine what's going on about it, how to care for it. And at the same time, this app also, it's $30 a year, by the way. You do have a trial period, but it also offers these books that you can unlock by using the app, and they're normally you can pay for them or you can buy. You get them when they get unlocked. But anything you got a question about, you can find out more than you'd ever want to know. So, anyway, chillin'. We're gonna shut this down and we're gonna talk about it later. So, love everybody. See ya. Bye.